I request Mr. Kamran Ali from Police Department in Azad Jammu and Kashmir to share his views about ongoing discussion.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. First of all, I would like to appreciate the efforts of Kazmi Saab and his team for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to speak to the youth, academia and intellectuals. And it's indeed an effort of appreciation for bringing so much of people together from different walks of life, because this is the high time when we need to know what we are going through, whether that's about the drugs, whether about the other criminal activity, whether that's about the social inequilibrium or imbalances what we can see on social media, what we can see in the field, what we can see everywhere in the prevailing scenario. While we stand here in AJK, trust me, we always feel maybe we are lagging behind from other police establishments, from other organizations, from other institutions, whether that is Pakistan or international wide. But when we go to the other departments and other organizations, or we attend international or national activities, we get to know, or we come to know, that we are not lagging behind. We are doing lots of good things, but unfortunately, the image about police department, whether that's AJK or other parts of the country, that's not very good. That's why many things are taken in a very negative way. Before coming to the main topic, I would just like to highlight a couple of very important things. Recently, I was in Dubai for 6 months for an international program by Interpol and Dubai Police, which was attended by more than 52 senior officers from all over the world for 6 months from 39 different countries. And fortunately, me, myself, representing AJK and Pakistan, I got the gold medal. But the best thing was that by the comparison, we got to know that we are not lagging behind, whether that's AJK or Pakistan. If I just tell you about the initiative taken by AJK police in last maybe 3, 4, 5 years, we have taken a lot of initiatives which even Punjab police and Sindh police, they have not taken so far. But we are doing it. But unfortunately, as I said in the start, that our efforts, they are not appreciated the way they should have. If I talk about narcotics and drugs, you definitely must be aware of the fact that in other regions of the country, there are specialized units along with police for the assistance of police, whether that's anti-narcotics force, whether that's few segments of FIA, Coast Guard, and many other law enforcement agencies who are always at the helm of or the support of police department. But here in AJK, police is the only law enforcement agency which is basically dealing with narcotics and other specialized kind of units and attributes. Whether that's about the counter-terrorism, whether that's about the foreign security, whether that's about the information technology, whether that's about the digitalization in police department. Police is the only law enforcement agency which is doing a lot of very good job. If I had time, I would definitely had shared about all the initiatives taken by AJK police for the digitalization and smooth running of the systems, not only for the department, but for the general public as well. As far as narcotics are concerned, you all must be knowing that soon after the promulgation of National Action Plan in the aftermath of APS Peshawar back in 2014, there was a special chapter named as Illegal Spectrum. As my brother rightly highlighted about the connection between the drugs and about other criminal activities. In National Action Plan of 2014, where we had 20 points, there was a special chapter about illegal spectrum, which highlighted about narcotics, illegal weapons, and other antisocial activities, because they have direct connection, not only with the terrorism, but with antisocial activities. And then it was revised back in 2021. From 20 points, it came down to 14 points, but that chapter, illegal spectrum, is still there. AJK police, along with other police establishments, we are also part of National Action Plan. So we continuously are making our efforts. I agree with my brother that maybe the kind of work we are supposed to do, we have not been able to do, because there are so many other issues and problems. Before coming here, I was just looking at the data of last 3 years. Unfortunately, the number of registered cases, it has come down for last 3 years, while it should go up. But then there are certain ground realities. You are all part of this society. You are all aware of the fact that last couple of years we have seen so many strikes, we have seen so many protests, we have seen so many rallies, we have seen law and order situations. So maybe the focus of police from this core issue has not been as much on that issue as we have been busy on other issues. But as far as police role and responsibilities are concerned, we are absolutely aware of that. And it's not like that now. As someone highlighted that, paise de aur kaam karwa le. It has changed now. It's a different kind of police leadership. There are issues and problems because police is basically from the same society to whom we are dealing with. It's not as easier that we can just get money and we can do anything. Now, it's basically an era of social media. It's an era of digitalization. It's an era of information technology. It's an era of globalization. So it's never easier to deal with this kind of criminal activity in islands or in silos. We cannot do that. We definitely have to be answerable. We definitely have to be accountable to everybody. So now things are changing, but unfortunately, as I earlier mentioned, that last few years, police focus has changed a little bit. But along with that, if I just talk about the initiatives of police department in last few years about drugs, first of all, we established anti-drug units in every district of AJK in 2023, and they are still working very much. As we can see, Vajad sitting here, he was also part of anti-drug unit in Muzaffarabad. He remained with me in Mirpur as well. And there was not even a single network which I can say that they are not being nabbed or they were not worked upon. They were all worked upon, they were arrested, they were captured. But that's basically a long debate because the police is only one part of criminal justice system. Many other stakeholders involved as well. What we can do, we always do. We never hesitate from our duties, our responsibilities. But unfortunately, in present scenarios, our educational institutions, specifically I will talk about educational institutions, it's not the issue of Punjab, Sindh or Balochistan, KPK or Islamabad only. It's the same issue in AJK as well. This latest trend of use of WAP and ICE, it's unfortunately spreading in our educational institutions. And I would request the administration of educational institutions, they should come forward along with police department. We need to start a fresh and very strong campaign to stop it because only one stakeholder cannot stop it. All the segments of society, including the communities, civil society networks, including the media, lawyers, or traders and other stakeholders, they all need to sit down. We need to have a new national action plan regarding the use of drugs in educational institutions. But this is not about the students only. These are basically the cartels. These are basically the networks who are sitting outside, maybe in some other part of the city, in some other part of the district maybe, and they are, unfortunately, they are spreading it, for extending their own nefarious networks, for extending their own nefarious agendas. I cannot speak so many things quite openly, but many people sitting in this hall, they understand what I'm saying. There are many other stakeholders who are basically involved in these kind of activities. Police definitely has the main role, as I already mentioned, that in AJK, police is the sole law enforcement agency who has to undertake these kind of initiatives. But along with that, parents, teachers, communities, lawyers, traders, and other segments of media, other segments of society, they all need to come forward because this is the poison which is eating our generations. As principals have rightly pointed out, that after the success of Bayan al-Marsus, our enemy is bent upon taking all such kind of initiative where they can divert our youth from positivity towards the negativity. So only thing what we can do, we can involve the communities, we can involve the educational administration, we can involve the health department, we can involve the other stakeholders so that we all can sit down and take some new initiatives to stop this curse, to stop this curve. So I think I have already taken a lot of time, but if there is any query, any question, or you guys have any issues, you can come up anytime. We can brief you. I would definitely love to invite our youth to come and see what we are doing in AJK, please. But if there is any other query, any other question, I'm here. You can ask me. Thank you very much.